Friends, here we are talking about difference between /script name and bash script name. Let me explain this on command line. See, in our previous video, we already created a shell script, first script.sh. Now, if you observe this shell script is having shebang line, the very first line, bin bash, and also it is having execution permissions. So whenever script has execution permissions and also shebang line, then you can run script in two ways. That is, if you are in the current location where your script is there, then one way is this one, or else you can also provide complete path in this way so that the script will execute. This is one way to execute your script whenever if it is having execution permissions and also shebang line. Now let me create one more script without shebang line and also without execution permissions. So simply I am taking same commands. So be clear, our second script is not having execution permissions and also it is not having shebang line. Which type of shell? It is not there in your script at very first line. So during this case, you can execute your shell script in this way. So I want to execute my shell script using bash shell, then your script name, or else bash, then complete path of your shell script. That's it. Suppose if you run your shell script in this way, whenever if it is not having execution permissions, see what will happen? You are going to get permission denied error. See, now the only difference between these two is here in first mechanism you are having execution permissions and also inside the script the very first line is shebang line. But here you no need to have execution permissions and also no need to mention shebang line in your script as at very first line. That's it. That is the only difference. But the best way is just mention your shebang line as a very first line in your shell script and then provide execution permissions for your script. And then run your script using // or by using complete path. This is the best way.